This is the one thing concrete truck workers are terrified of. It sounds normal at first, but this is where the job gets dangerous. Even after the mixer gets rinsed, wet concrete still sticks inside, so someone has to climb into that dark, tight drum. Every hammer hit inside is painfully loud, and the dust is corrosive, so they wear masks and ear protection. But the real danger is this. If the drum starts spinning, the spiral blades inside can slice straight through solid objects. That's why before anyone goes in, they lock the truck and keep the keys. Then they disconnect the battery so it can't turn on by accident. That's why